Okay, our next topic, general differential equation of heat conduction. General differential equation of heat conduction. So we know this one. What is the conductions? Because the last class we have discussed there is a conductions. There is a conduction means we know this one. The conduction, the heat is transferred in the same medium. The heat is transferred in the same medium. There is a conduction. Generally, we have to discuss the heat transfer or the heat flow. The Q equal to minus Ka dd divided by dx. Q equal to minus Ka dd divided by dx. Here, the Q is mentioning the heat transfer, it is denoted Q. K, the K means it is a thermal conductivity, that is a unit watt per meter Kelvin. Then Tt, it is a dd means it is a temperature difference. Temperature difference, it will be say it is a temperature T1 minus T2, it is said for the Tt. Temperature difference. What is the T1 temperature minus what is the T2 temperature? So it is a differences. Already we know this one, it is a heat transfer. So how it will be transfer means the heat is transferred from the higher temperature to lower temperature. So the T1 may be here is a 200 means T1 it is a 200 degrees Celsius. Then another the T2 it will be going to for less, it will say 150. So what is the difference? It is a 50 degrees Celsius. It is a difference. It is denoted for Tt. Next, there is a. A means it is a area. It is simply said, Q equal T1 minus T2 divided by L divided by K, or Q equal del D overall divided by R. It is also one of the heat conduction. Del D overall R. What is a del D? Del D means it is a temperature difference. So here we have said it is a T1 minus T2, or what is the inner temperature, what is the outer temperature. So Ti, otherwise we have to say Ti minus T0 or T1. So inner temperature and outer temperature divided by R. R means it is a thermal resistance. Thermal resistance, that is a denoted for R. So what is the thermal resistance? The heat is transferred from the one place to the another one place with some of the area. Now we can say the heat is transferred, it is one of the plate. It is a plate. Here is a T1, here is a T2. In between it is a resistance. It is a thermal. Thermal resistance is denoted. You see, the thermal resistance is denoted. It is a L divided by Ka. It is a thermal resistance. So the R is denoted, there is a L divided by Ka. It is a R. R means thermal resistance. L means it is a thickness. The thickness of the plate, the thickness of the pipe. So the thickness of the slab, it is said for L. So L means it is a thickness. K means it is a thermal conductivity. K means it is a thermal conductivity. A means it is the area. So area is denoted, there is a unit of M, meter. K, it is a thermal conductivity. The thermal conductivity, there is a unit watt per meter Kelvin. The L, it is a thickness, that is also one of the meter. So now you can say it is a main formula to find the heat transfer. So Q equal del D overall divided by R.